Hey guys, I have the April 2019 Allure Beauty Box, and let's find out what's in here. I'm gonna hide our little spoiler card. Okay, the May theme is Beauty Innovation, 7 Game Changers. So I take it that means we're gonna have 7 items. You're gonna see this. Oh, scratch off to reveal. I'll do that at the end. Alright, so what do we have? We have got the Nubian by Juvia? I have dyslexia. I can't figure out names ever. There it goes. Kind of there. And let's get into this and show you. The packaging is really cute on this, by the way. The Nubian by somebody. And oh, it looks like we have got an eyeshadow palette. That is really cute. I love this Egyptian theme. Pressed pigments number 1, 2, and 6 ingredients, and then 3, 4, and 5 are just labeled as eyeshadow. So 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, I don't know how they're numbering this because I would have thought these 3 went together and these 3 went together, but you know what? Like I say in the opening intro, I am not a makeup and beauty person. I know nothing. I am Jon Snow. Now we have our little clear bag, and I'm just gonna move the box over. What do we have in here? Feels like a brush maybe? Woo! I'm losing stuff. Architect Slim Eyeliner. That is one of the finer points I've ever seen on an eyeliner. Now we have Natasha Denona eyeshadow. I really hope I said that name right. And oh, it says 124 karat bronze age. What does that say? Bronze age? I'm not sure what that's supposed to mean. Okay, and it looks like we've got this little tiny... Oh, it's nice and silky smooth. Got a lot of pigment. Swipes on really nicely. I'm guessing this is eyeshadow because it says so. And let's see. Yeah, I think it works pretty well with our Nubian, so you could mix and match these pretty easily. Briogeo Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protection Cream. I assume this is for hair. And Phenomenal. What are you? Organic Tan Infused Cloth for face and body. Okay, so it looks like we have got 2 little face and body samplets, whatever this exactly is. It's organic, but other than that, I'm not really clear. Vita Liberata Advanced Organics. I am not familiar with any of these words, so I don't know which is the company and what is the product name. And it looks like our last item says Morphe, and I bet it's a brush. Let's find out. If I can get my finger in here. Yep, we got a little Morphe brush. I guess this is an eyeshadow brush. Let's see. It says M433 on the side. I have no idea what that means. It's a pretty decent brush. It's a little bit coarser than I would prefer, but I do like that it has... I can't get it back in now. I was gonna say, I do like that it has this cover on it so that I can keep it safer, but I'm gonna damage it if I try to use it, so I'm not gonna do that. And I think that's everything, but it said 7 game changers. I'm only seeing 6 items. Oh wait, May's theme is 7 game changers, so that's probably why. And we'll check out our little mini Allure Beauty Box magazine here. So there's our hair, there's our face. Oops, skipped a page. There's our Deputy Beauty Director, Natasha Denona, 1 eyeshadow, 1 brush, our eyeliner. There's our Nubian eyeshadow, but it's showing us 2 other things that totally weren't in this box. So what the heck? Like, it's not... I'm not missing it. It's just like not here. So it looks like I didn't get the Sunday Riley CEO Glow Face Oil or the Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. That's really weird. I wonder why I didn't get that. That's upsetting. Like, that's really, like, makes me mad. This is not a free box. Like, I paid for all the stuff in here, and I don't understand why I don't have all the stuff in there. I've really never had that happen before. But here is the scratch-off card if you want spoilers. This is for the May box, and it looks like they might do... I don't know if that's lip gloss or if that's concealer or what, but I'm gonna be pretty honest, I'm probably gonna cancel if they don't make this right really quickly because you know, there's nothing like paying for something and not getting it all. Okay, wait. I figured out what happened. I was about to email customer service and then I noticed the little asterisk next to these 3 items. And then at the bottom it says your box contains 1 of these 3 items. So, okay, that's handled. I'm not missing anything, but I want to draw your attention to the price of these 3 items because I wasn't given a choice, and honestly, I would prefer eyeshadow or makeup to anything for the skin, but the CEO Glow Face Oil retails for $80, the High Dose Retinoid Serum retails for $85, and then we have the eyeshadow palette that is $20? I mean, what the heck? How are these comparable items? I could get you got one skin product or the other, but saying you got one of 2 $80-something skin products or a $20 makeup palette? 1, why am I not getting to make the choice myself? And 2, why are the choices at least not comparable in price? I'm still really annoyed because it makes me feel like I got shorted something or I didn't get as much value as other people did, and that doesn't feel fair to me. Anyways, back to the normal recording. Alright, well, thank you everybody for watching. You've been listening to McGann get annoyed here, and I will see you next time, my dear family members.